this video tutorial, we will see how to print right angle number triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here, in this pattern, the numbers are gradually increasing line by line from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Along with every number, a space character is appended. So let's type code to print this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable with 0, I is equal to 0. We are going to use here while loop, while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations. And at the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. So our I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of 5th iteration, I value will become 5. 5 less than 5 and this condition is false. Our iteration is going to stop here. To print this type of pattern, we require a nested while loop with a variable called j. J is equal to 0. Nested while j minus 1 less than I. And at the end of nested while loop iteration, we are going to increase j value by 1. Here, print the result. Print 9 minus I minus j and separate the numbers with a space character. After printing this line, we want to print the number in the next line. For that, we are going to use print method outside this while loop. Run pytriangle.py file. We can see the result. This is our expected triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number right angle triangle pattern.